Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Big Kev and I got a DB2 and I just picked up some coilovers off of Craigslist for 150 bucks. Let me show you what they look like. Got some tein bases for 150 bucks, man. These look pretty brand new still. Only thing is it's missing is the dust boot, but they'll be alright. So let's go put them on real quick. Basically, you take the suspension off. You have to take off 114. You can see it. 17mm bolt and nut, and two 14mm on top. Coilovers on, ready to preload it, everything. See how they look. The back's pretty easy. You gotta do the two bolts on top and 114 right there, and I might loosen that up because it might be a little hard to get off without two people's. Two 14s, take those off. Same thing on the other side. Found my first problem. So this has a nut right there. Doesn't. Yo, what's up guys? I hope you liked the video. I'm for a couple of days and it's nice, better than eBay coilovers, not bouncing around everywhere. I will be going lower when I get some new wheels, and hopefully I get a new vlogging camera so I can give you more content, or I'm at better quality. But if you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up, comment down what I should do next, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.